Hello again. Welcome to Programming Foundations. Today's topic is decisions. In fact, there's quite a lot of little topics that we'll be dealing with in this lecture. So there's conditional statements: if, else, elif, the Boolean data type, some logical operators like and or, and comparison operators. So there's quite a lot to get through, but actually these are mostly very straightforward to use, and students tend not to find difficulties with getting the hang of these things. So don't be worried by the number of things we get through today. I've got loads of examples to show you each one as well. Okay, so the motivation behind this is that we've built up, for example, in last week's lecture, we built up some calculator examples, some calculator things that we'll do: add and subtract and multiply and divide were exercises, and we'd like to combine them into just one program. So we've got a basic calculator program, but the question then is, how do we know which operation the user wants? So we ask them for the first number and second number, and then what operation do they want. We need to make a decision based on that. So we can ask them what they want, but then we need to decide what to do depending on how they reply. For example, in this line here, this line gets added to the program that we've seen before. We can ask them what the operation is. Is it plus or minus? We'll just do addition and subtraction to start with. And that will give us a string variable which will contain the character plus or minus. And if it's a plus, then we add the two numbers together. If it's a minus, we subtract the two numbers. And so we're going to have to deal with doing different things depending on what the user puts in. And that's what this whole topic is about. Okay, I'm going to finish there, and then what we'll do next is look at the if statement and see how that works.